One day a cat entered the cave. In the cave there is a devil guarding it. But they ignored the demon and continued to enter the cave. Continue to explore the dark hallway using a flashlight. They found a pile of gold in the cave. The kitten was very happy to hold the gold. Suddenly the demon opened the lid of the dam at the edge of the cave. They ran because behind them there was water flowing very fast. They were walking in a puddle of water when suddenly someone grabbed the cat's leg after realizing that the cat's hands and feet were tied with chains, and the devil made a potion. When the devil left, the cat took off the chain, and they ran away in a hurry. Then the devil found out and chased them both. They hid above the devil and rolled a large rock towards the devil. Finally they got the treasure.